CIET NCERT presents Audiobook of Mathematics for Class 6. Chapter 9. Data Handling. Page 189.
Part 2.
9.5. Interpretation of a pictograph. Example 3. The following pictograph shows the number of absentees in a class of 30 students during the previous week. We have a tabular structure with two columns. Column 1 says days, column 2 says the number of absentees. Monday, 5 absentees. Tuesday, 4 absentees. Wednesday, 2 absentees. Thursday, no absentee. Friday, 1 absentee. Saturday, 8 absentees. A. On which day were the maximum number of students absent? B. Which day had full attendance? C. What was the total number of absentees in that week? Solution. A. Maximum absentees were on Saturday. There are 8 pictures in the row for Saturday. On all other days the number of pictures are less. B. Against Thursday there is no picture, that is, no one is absent. Thus, on that day the class had full attendance. C. There are 20 pictures in all, so the total number of absentees in that week was 20. Page 190. Example 4. The colors of fridges preferred by people living in a locality are shown by the following pictograph. Colors, number of people. Blue, 5. Green, 3. Red, 5.5. White, 2. The pictures representing people are a group of 10 people. A. Find the number of people preferring blue color. B. How many people liked red color? Solution. A. Blue color is preferred by 50 people. 1 picture is equal to 10, so 5 pictures indicate 5 multiplied by 10 people. B. Deciding the number of people liking red color needs more care. For 5 complete pictures, we get 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 50 people. For the last incomplete picture, we may roughly take it as 5. So, number of people preferring red color is nearly 55. Think, discuss and write. In the above example, the number of people who liked red color was taken as 50 plus 5. If your friend wishes to take it as 50 plus 8, is it acceptable? Example 5. A survey was carried out on 30 students of class 6 in a school. Data about the different modes of transport used by them to travel to school was displayed as pictograph. What can you conclude from the pictograph? Modes of traveling, number of students, and the picture of each face represents 1 student. Private car, 4. Public bus, 5. School bus, 11. Cycle, 3. Walking, 7. Page 191. Solution. From the pictograph we find that A. The number of students coming by private car is 4. B. Maximum number of students use the school bus. This is the most popular way. C. Cycle is used by only 3 students. D. The number of students using the other modes can be similarly found. Example 6. Following is the pictograph of the number of wristwatches manufactured by a factory in a particular week. Days, number of wristwatches manufactured, and each picture represents 100 wristwatches. Monday, 6. Tuesday, 7.5. Wednesday, 6.5. Thursday, 8. Friday, 6. Saturday, 5.5. A. On which day were the least number of wristwatches manufactured? B. On which day were the maximum number of wristwatches manufactured? C. Find out the approximate number of wristwatches manufactured in the particular week. Solution. We can complete the following table and find the answers. Table has two columns. Column 1, days. Column 2, number of wristwatches manufactured. Monday, 600. Tuesday, more than 700 and less than 800. Wednesday, dash. Thursday, dash. Friday, dash. Saturday, dash. Page 192. Exercise 9.1. 1. In a mathematics test, the following marks were obtained by 40 students. Arrange these marks in a table using tally marks. 8, 1, 3, 7, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 2, 4, 9, 5, 3, 7, 1, 6, 5, 2, 7, 7, 3, 8, 4, 2, 8, 9, 5, 8, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 9, 6, 4, 4, 6, 6. A. Find how many students obtained marks equal to or more than 7. B. How many students obtained marks below 4? 2. Following is the choice of sweets of 30 students of class 6. Laddu, barfi, laddu, jalebi, laddu, rasgulla, jalebi, laddu, barfi, rasgulla, laddu, jalebi, jalebi, rasgulla, laddu, rasgulla, jalebi, laddu, rasgulla, laddu, laddu, barfi, rasgulla, rasgulla, jalebi, rasgulla, laddu, rasgulla, jalebi, laddu. A. Arrange the names of sweets in a table using tally marks. B. Which sweet is preferred by most of the students? 3. Catherine threw a dice 40 times and noted the number appearing each time as shown below. 1, 3, 5, 6, 6, 3, 5, 4, 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, 6, 1, 5, 5, 6, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 5, 1, 6, 2, 3, 5, 2, 4, 1, 5. Make a table and enter the data using tally marks. Find the number that appeared. A. The minimum number of times. B. The maximum number of times. C. Find those numbers that appear an equal number of times. 4. Following pictograph shows the number of tractors in 5 villages. Column 1, villages. Column 2, number of tractors. The tractors are symbolized with a picture where each picture represents one tractor. Village A, 6. Village B, 5. Village C, 8. Village D, 3. Village E, 6. Page 193. Observe the pictograph and answer the following questions. 1. Which village has the minimum number of tractors? 2. Which village has the maximum number of tractors? 3. How many more tractors village C has as compared to village B? 4. What is the total number of tractors in all the 5 villages? 5. The number of girl students in each class of a co-educational middle school is depicted by the pictograph. Column 1, classes. Column 2, number of girl students. The depiction is done by a picture where each picture represents 4 girls. 1, 6, 2, 4.5, 3, 5, 4, 3.5, 5, 2.5, 6, 4, 7, 3, 8, 1½ Observe this pictograph and answer the following questions. A. Which class has the minimum number of girl students? B. Is the number of girls in class 6 less than the number of girls in class 5? C. How many girls are there in class 7? 6. The sale of electric bulbs on different days of a week is shown below. Column 1 days, column 2 number of electric bulbs, and each picture shows 2 bulbs. Monday, 6. Tuesday, 8. Wednesday, 4. Thursday, 5. Friday, 7. Saturday, 4. Sunday, 9. Page 194. Observe the pictograph and answer the following questions. A. How many bulbs were sold on Friday? B. On which day were the maximum number of bulbs sold? C. On which of the days same number of bulbs were sold? D. On which of the days minimum number of bulbs were sold? E. If one big carton can hold 9 bulbs, how many cartons were needed in the given week? 7. In a village, 6 fruit merchants sold the following number of fruit baskets in a particular season. Name of fruit merchants, column 1, number of fruit baskets, column 2, and each picture represents 100 fruit baskets. Rahim, 4. Lakhanpal, 5½ Anwar, 7. Martin, 9½ Ranjit Singh, 8. Joseph, 4½ Observe this pictograph and answer the following questions. A. Which merchant sold the maximum number of baskets? B. How many fruit baskets were sold by Anwar? C. The merchants who have sold 600 or more number of baskets are planning to buy a godown for the next season. Can you name them? 9.6. Drawing a pictograph. Drawing a pictograph is interesting, but sometimes a symbol, like the one which was used in one of the previous examples, may represent multiple units and may be difficult to draw. Instead of it, we can use simpler symbols. If this symbol represents, say, 5 students, how will you represent, say, 4 or 3 students? We can solve such a situation by making an assumption that this symbol represents 5 students, this symbol represents 4 students, this symbol represents 3 students, this symbol represents 2 students, this symbol represents 1 student, and then start the task of representation. Example 7. The following are the details of number of students present in a class of 30 during a week, represented by a pictograph. Page 195. Days, column 1, number of students present, column 2. Monday, 24, Tuesday, 26, Wednesday, 28, Thursday, 30, Friday, 29, Saturday, 22. Solution. With the assumptions we have made earlier, 24 may be represented by these symbols. 26 may be represented by these symbols, and so on. Thus, the pictograph would be days, number of students present, Monday, these many, Tuesday, these many students, Wednesday, these many students, Thursday, these many students, Friday, these many students, Saturday, these many students. We had some sort of agreement over how to represent less than 5 by a picture. Such a sort of splitting the pictures may not be always possible. In such cases, what shall we do? Study the following example. Example 8. The following are the number of electric bulbs purchased for a lodging house during the first 4 months of a year. Months, number of bulbs. January 20, February 26, March 30, April 34. Represent the details by a pictograph. Page 196. Solution. Picturizing for January and March is not difficult, but representing 26 and 34 with the pictures is not easy. We may round off 26 to nearest 5, that is to 25, and 34 to 35. We then show 2.5 bulbs for February and 3.5 for April. Let the symbol of a bulb represent 10 bulbs. The pictograph would look like January 2, February 2.5, March 3, April 3.5. You were just listening to the audiobook Mathematics for Class 6. Narrator Gaurav Marva. Assistance in production Soumya Malik. Producer Vimlesh Chaudhary. Presented by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.